Here's how to replace the filters on the Whirlpool WDF520PADM7. You're supposed to replace them every couple of years, although they are washable. Here are the OEM parts. You don't need to get OEM, but OEM fits better. On the right-hand side, you have the sump screen filter, part number WPW104-63906. And on the left, you have the pump filter, W108-72845. And this is how you replace it. You first take out the pump filter by just screwing it counterclockwise. There's gunk in there. And then you take out the sump screen filter. Then you place the new sump screen filter in, kind of just press it in. So you get it in between those two knobs and it should just like kind of click in. And then you can screw in your new pump filter. And it's as easy as that. I'll leave the links in the description.